the printer must be turned on. Press the release button and then open the front cover. Grasp the green handle of the drum unit. Lift the front of the drum unit and pull it out of the printer. Place it on a flat surface to avoid damage. Remember that prolonged exposure to light can damage the drum unit. Grasp the handle of the belt unit with both hands and pull it out. Remove the orange packing material if present. This step is only necessary when you are replacing the waste toner box for the first time. Hold the green handle of the waste toner box and remove the waste toner box from the printer. Install the new waste toner box in the printer. Make sure the waste toner box is level and fits firmly into place. It's not necessary to reinstall the orange plastic part. Insert the belt unit as shown. Gently insert the drum unit into the printer until it locks into place. Close the front cover of the machine. There are no reset procedures for the waste toner box. The new toner bin will automatically reset the counter. If not, in the description you will find a method to clean and reset the counter of the waste toner box.